and pans sing a melody of flavors where memories cling, chopping and stirring with a smile so wide. The happy lonely chef with no one by his side. He's dancing with his spatula, twirling with delight, creating magic dishes in the middle of the night. Though the dining room is empty, his heart is full of cheer. The happy lonely chef finding joy right here. Whisking dreams indoors, seasoning with care, a sprinkle of laughter floating in the air. He's got a recipe for happiness in every single dish, a pinch of solitude with a dash of a wish. He's dancing with his spatula, twirling with delight, creating magic dishes in the middle of the night. Though the dining room is empty, his heart is full of cheer. The happy lonely chef finding joy right here. He knows the taste of silence, the flavor of the breeze in his kitchen